Welcome back to Auto Car, where we bring you the latest and greatest in the automotive world. Today, we take an in-depth look at the stunning 2025 BMW Z4 M40i, the ultimate expression of BMW's Roadster heritage and performance excellence. Let's start with the exterior design, where BMW has outdone itself with a bold yet refined aesthetic. The 2025 Z4 M40i retains its signature kidney grille, but this time, it's finished in a sleek blacked-out design that complements the car's aggressive stance. The adaptive LED headlights have a sharper, more angular design, giving the Z4 a menacing yet sophisticated look. The aerodynamic lines flow seamlessly from the hood to the rear, ensuring optimal airflow and performance. Moving to the side profile, the Z4 M40i features a long hood, short overhangs, and a low-slung silhouette that screams performance. The 19-inch M-Lite alloy wheels, available in multiple finishes, add to its sporty character, while the flared wheel arches enhance its muscular presence. The soft-top roof folds down in just 10 seconds, allowing for an open-air driving experience at the push of a button. At the rear, the sleek L-shaped LED taillights create a futuristic look, while the gloss black diffuser and dual exhaust tips give it a powerful stance. The rear bumper has been redesigned for better aerodynamics, and the M badging proudly showcases the car's performance pedigree. It's a perfect balance of elegance and aggression. Now, stepping inside, the 2025 Z4 M40i's cabin is a masterpiece of luxury and sportiness. BMW has integrated premium materials like Vernasca leather, aluminum trim, and contrast stitching to elevate the interior experience. The driver-centric cockpit features an M-specific digital instrument cluster and a 12.3-inch curved infotainment display powered by BMW's latest iDrive 8 system. The infotainment system includes wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, a premium Harman Kardon surround sound system, and an advanced voice assistant. The center console is redesigned with a minimalist layout, featuring a crystal-clear gear selector and customizable ambient lighting that adds a touch of sophistication. The M Sport seats offer exceptional comfort and support, with integrated headrests and heating functionality. The leather-wrapped M steering wheel, complete with paddle shifters, enhances the driver's connection to the road. Every detail in the cabin is crafted for both comfort and performance. The BMW Z4 has a rich legacy dating back to the early 2000s. Succeeding the legendary Z3 over the years, it has evolved into a refined, high-performance roadster, blending classic design cues with modern technology. The 2025 model continues this tradition, pushing boundaries with cutting-edge engineering and design. Now, let's talk numbers. The 2025 Z4 M40i packs a 3.0-liter turbocharged inline-six engine, delivering 382 horsepower and 369 pound-feet of torque. This roadster accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 4.1 seconds, thanks to its 8-speed automatic transmission and rear-wheel drive setup. The adaptive M suspension and variable sport steering ensure precise handling, making every drive exhilarating. As for pricing, the 2025 BMW Z4 M40i starts at around $68,000. But with optional performance and luxury upgrades, it can easily exceed $75,000. While it's positioned as a premium roadster, its combination of performance, luxury, and heritage makes it worth every penny. So, is the 2025 BMW Z4 M40i the perfect roadster for you? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more in-depth car reviews. See you in the next video.